Hi guys, if you're new here, then I'm Nishitha and I make videos on fashion, beauty, travel, lifestyle, DIY and a lot more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to catch up on all the fun. So today I'm at this IKEA store to check out what they've got to offer for this Diwali. They have a lot of new collection added, so make sure you come and check it out too. The collection is going to be available all 365 days, but then if you want to amp up your house this Diwali, you should definitely visit IKEA. Now let me take you through all that I liked from the collection. They had some amazing pieces in gold that you can use for literally anything to decorate this Diwali. From candle stands to lanterns and so much more. Not just in gold, they had some amazing looking lanterns in black and white as well that you can use to personalize your space this Diwali. The best part is the price. They are as low as Rs 299. Diwali is incomplete without these star-shaped lanterns, isn't it? IKEA has a lot to offer in this area as well. I also found these really cute vases in so many shapes and sizes, plus they were available in rose gold, gold and silver. So many ways to amp up your house this Diwali. These colorful vases are to die for. How pretty are these? In the similar material, you can find so many other ornaments like these ones that you can place in the center of the table and they will look absolutely amazing. You cannot talk about Diwali without talking about candles. IKEA has a wide variety of candles as well in gold, silver and so many other beautiful colors. Plus, there are so many scented candles available as well. You can also find these battery operated candles which are safe for homes with children. After seeing this beautiful collection, I could not stop myself. Hence, I picked up some really affordable items from IKEA. Now, I will show you 3 different ways in which you can decorate your space this Diwali. So let's begin. Let's see how we can transform the centerpiece. Now, I am adding a table runner on this. Next up, I'll be placing this really beautiful golden plate cum tray cum bowl in the center, and then to the corners I will be adding these candle stands. I'm just going to maintain this gold theme of it, hence I chose the golden ones. I love the potpourri available in IKEA, hence I'm going to be filling this bowl with potpourri. You can as well use some natural flowers to fill it up. Next up, I'm going to take this really cute but gorgeous looking candle holder and place it right in the center of the bowl. Now I'm going to show you two ways in which you can complement this candle stands in gold. You can either use the same little candle holder that we used in the center of the bowl and then maybe put these steel lights in it. Or you can place these block candles on it as well. Ta-da! Your centerpiece is ready. This entire decoration costs you less than 2,500 rupees. Maybe you can shift all the books to the last rows and then give this a makeover. I will be using this really beautiful bowl which has pretty golden accents on it. And to the other corner, I will be placing one of my favorite items from the collection, that is this golden lantern. Why not add some greenery? Now I'll be placing an artificial plant in this beautiful golden pot and I'll be placing it on the topmost row. Found these gorgeous looking golden and white candle stands that I will be placing in the other corner, of course. As we already have some greenery here, I will be using a similar shade of candles and will be placing it on the candle holders. Look how we just transformed a boring bookshelf into an interesting one. Diwali is the time when most of your guests come over, and of course there's going to be food. So instead of placing your glasses on a regular old-fashioned ceramic tray, you can use a golden tray instead. IKEA also has these really pretty drink stirrers that you have to definitely check out. This entire golden theme going on, you can also find these beautiful tissue holders which can complement your dining table the best. How about some flowers on the dining table? Also, I found these really pretty accents for your table runners, something different from the usual. With such a beautiful dining table, I am sure you're going to win all your guests' hearts. I hope these helped you get some cues on how you can decorate your space this Diwali. There are a lot of other decoration items as well that you can pick up from for your dining table, for your bedroom, for your balcony and so many other spaces. So So I'm finally done with all the shopping for this Diwali. I'm super excited to decorate my home. If you guys are looking forward for something unique this Diwali, you should definitely come visit IKEA. That's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because a lot of other fun videos are coming up super soon. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.